Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best cabinet installation tool clamp on the market, the manram Cabinet Clamps 2-pack. If you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast working with cabinets, these clamps are designed to make your installation process smoother, faster, and more precise. The manram cabinet clamps come as a set of two high-performance face frame clamps, crafted from durable aluminum with a vibrant orange finish that's easy to spot in any toolbox or workspace. These clamps are built to last and offer a clamping force ranging from 300 to 600 pounds. Which means they hold your cabinet styles firmly in place, giving you reliable support while you work. They're designed to fit styles up to 1 to 1/4 of an inch thick, with a clamp capacity of 4 inches and a jaw size of 2 inches, making them versatile enough for a wide range of cabinet installation tasks. One of the standout features of these clamps is the integrated drill guide. This clever addition allows you to pre-drill pilot holes accurately without removing or repositioning the clamp. After drilling, you simply flip the guide out of the way and drive in your screws, all while the clamp maintains perfect alignment. This saves you time and ensures precision, reducing the chance of misalignment or mistakes during installation. The manram clamps also come with felt pads for the clamp faces and the alignment plate. These pads protect the surface of your cabinets from scratches or dents, preserving the finish while providing a secure grip. Additionally, the package includes a sturdy protective case, which makes storage and transport easy and keeps your clamps safe when they're not in use. In terms of size and weight, each clamp weighs about 1.77 kilograms or roughly 3.89 pounds, giving you a solid feel in hand without being overly bulky. The overall package dimensions are compact enough to fit comfortably in your toolbox or workbench drawer. What makes the manram cabinet clamps especially practical is how they combine multiple installation steps into a single operation. From tightening and aligning to pre-drilling and securing, you can complete these tasks without changing the clamp position or removing it from your workpiece. This efficiency is a real game changer, especially on larger projects where speed and accuracy are crucial. Whether you're installing new kitchen cabinets, face frames, or any cabinetry that requires precise alignment, these clamps offer a reliable solution to keep everything steady and perfectly positioned. The aluminum construction means they're lightweight yet robust, able to withstand the demands of regular use. Overall, the manram cabinet clamps 2-pack is an essential addition to any woodworking or cabinetry toolkit. With their thoughtful design, durable materials, and integrated drill guide, they simplify what can often be a tricky part of cabinet installation. For anyone looking to enhance their cabinet building or installation process, these clamps are a must-have tool. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.